very merciful. और भक्ति आचार्य नित्य लीला प्रविष्णु विष्णुपाद श्रीमद् भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती गोस्वामी ठाकुर, they disappeared from this world. So this is not a happy day because we are separated from him and he left us and went. But he went to Golok Vrindavan to serve conjugal and to bestow mercy from there. So it is a happy day. The birthday and disappearance day, both are like same thing, very merciful to do. Jivas are sadhaks, devotees. You know, you have heard so many things. I want to hear from devotees something, and then in the last I will speak about him. How he was glorious in all subjects. As Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has, in Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, the mercy of all manifestations of Krishna and even the mercy of Krishna is included. Understand? The mercy of all the incarnations and himself Krishna, all are included in Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. In the similar way, you can understand the mercy of all acharyas, beginning from four acharyas, Ramanuja, Madhva, Vishnu, Swami, Nimbadita, and all, and also all the acharyas like Sarv Damodar Raya, Ramananda, Rupa Goswami, Sanatana Goswami, and all, Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur, Bhakti Vinod Thakur, all are included in the mercy of the Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur. He has given the same message what Rupa Goswami has given. He has given the same message what Sarv Damodar Raya, Ramananda has given. He has given the same philosophical Gaudiya Vaishnava Dharma like Jiva Goswami. He was both. He was a very philosopher, Vaishnava philosopher, and also he was a Rasik both. So he was the Srila Prabhupada, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur. He has given almost all the things that any acharya in our line or four Vaishnava has given. He was so qualified in Vedanta, so much qualified in Srimad Bhagavatam, in Chaitanya Charitamrita. If you see in any angle of bhakti, he will be seen pure, complete. He has so many arms, so many arms. Like my Gurudev, Pujyapat Siddhar Maharaj, Pujyapat Goswami Maharaj, Pujyapat Ban Maharaj, Pujyapat Tirtha Maharaj, Pujyapat
Nemi Maharaj,
Giri Maharaj, Vaikhanas Maharaj,
Nemi Maharaj,
and Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj. His youngest arm was what? He came to this Western and Eastern world. But how glorious! Very soon, this army preached over the whole world. Miracle thing. So, Srila Prabhupada inspired in all his disciples very strong this Krishna Prem and knowledge, transcendental knowledge. Especially he was very strong in G. Goswami's all classes of theory. He was so learned in all the Sandarbh, 6 Sandarbh and Sarv Sambhadini. At that time, when he was present, he was unparalleled preacher. So many Mayavadis, Karmi, Jnani, Yogi, Tapasvi came, but they were all defected themselves by only seeing the face of that Mahapurush. They used to be defeated and to take shelter of that Mahapurush. I think that it will be very good to that devotees should also glorify, and I will hear and I will be very happy. So first of all, Govinda Bhagat Prabhu, he is trying so much from very morning to up to now, not joining any classes, only reading, singing here and there. So first of all, he should be invited to speak about Srila Prabhupada. Anyone speaking? Come here.